guys, today I will share with you Bosch GDR180-Li Professional Cordless Impact Driver. This machine is 160 volt and has a variable speed, high torque, high impact rate and fast rotation speed for fast screw driving and drilling into metal and wood. Durable design with robust gearbox, open frame motor and battery cell protection ensuring a longer lifetime. Easy to service, gearbox and carbon brush can be replaced easily.
Vích xanh lên cho tôi xuống bóc lầu gì hai lầu đây tập
Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you find this video helps.